Okay, here's how to edit the Etsy listing according to the new policies. First you go to the listing that you want to edit, and then you go to the core details here, and then click that change, and then a physical item, who made it, I did, and then it's a finished product and it's made to order, or recently or before and all that. So it's made to order. So how does your shop produce this item? It's made from scratch, or it's assembled from purchased parts. There's an example here, so it's easier for you to figure out which one is your product. In my case, it's made from scratch. And then what tools are used to make this item? Okay, there's also example here, make it easy for you to choose. So in my case, it's a handheld or a hand guided tools. It's written here sewing machine, so I'm using a sewing machine. So that's all. And if you have production partners, you can put it here, and then you click apply, and that's all. And then you can publish change here. This is the one I just edited. It's still showing design by Etsy. I suppose it will take some time until this one is updated. And I listed a new wallet today, and in this new one it's already shown made by Chevy's, like this. Okay, I hope that helps. But my question is, if you have more than 100 items and if we have to do it this one by one, it's going to take a long time. I hope Etsy will come up with something that we can just bulk edit it. Okay, if you have any questions, just put it in the comment. Thank you for watching.